Yeah, Gotham Mortigan, you scoundrels! Good morning! Okay, so we're going to go down over a bridge right beside the highway, but I just wanted to show you this view too, because everywhere I live I'm by the ocean, so a lot of people will see that, it's beautiful in this area, and I take it for granted because I see it every day. Enjoy. You can see the mountains in the background there. It's pretty cool. Oh shoot, got a truck on the path. This is not that kind of path. It's a pretty neat path. It goes all the way down to the highway there. I see they've got some excavator work in there, so I guess we can take a little bit of a film for that. Here I thought this was going to be more of a nature film. Now I got heavy equipment. It's pretty funny. This is going down toward Coronation Mall where I do a lot of shopping. And this is the shortcut I take. Right now we're doing 10 kilometers an hour. 11 kilometers an hour. Oh, here, this is cool. We'll check this out. This is neat. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Now we'll keep going down. It's raining pretty good, so I gotta try to keep the camera out of the rain. I didn't realize it was raining this bad, so you guys caught me in the rain where I wouldn't normally even go. This is the big bridge going over the river or creek. Well, I guess it's bigger than the creek. I'll show it in a minute here. Hopefully my lens isn't getting too wet. I can't really see. Oh, it's actually coming down pretty good. I might have to stop filming here for a minute. I'll definitely get the gorge in here though. Shit, there it comes. Whoa! Oh yeah, because it's raining, so the river's really moving. Just give me a second. Whoa, look at that, that's beautiful. I don't know, can you see the river there? I don't want to drop my phone. That's awesome. We'll get across the bridge here. And then there's a path which can be taken down there. See the path? Right beside a highway. Check that out. Beautiful. Whoa! Whoa, big semi just went by me at 100 kilometers an hour. Ay, ay, ay. It's nuts out here today. There's another smaller river going into the bigger one. Here's the bigger one. Okay, my phone is definitely getting soaked here, so guys, we're gonna have to end it here for a second.
Scar!